Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today we have a Vermont casting stove, and something that ends up failing quite a bit, depending on how hot you keep your stove, is these I think they're called Andirons, but they basically just kind of disintegrate over time, and you pull them out pretty easy. There's really nothing to adjust back here. However, sometimes you'll get a lot of ash that gets built up in there, and it makes them really tight. But I got these replacements, and it's labeled as part B2827. That may or may not be for your stove. However, these were a very good fit for mine. And I said, gotta kind of wiggle them into place. And this is the other one. And then again, that one fits in pretty good. And there you go. Pretty easy replacement. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.